Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love.
So this is our 4th year with Peyton Manning's Children's Hospital, and we're really thankful to be able to deliver these blankets and kits for the kids that are in need. What kind of things have you noticed when you give them to them? Is it something that they're happy to receive?
Sure, yeah. So when kids are here at the hospital, they are always wanting a stuffed animal or a blanket, a soft blanket. Something about a blanket helps kids feel better when they're here at the hospital. So we're really excited for Subaru to donate all of these very lovely blankets that help keep our kids safe and comforted and covered while they're here, feeling better at the hospital. And then we also love the kits that we can give that have coloring books and poppets and all of the fun things that kids love these days. So.
Well, it's our pleasure to bring these blankets and kits to you. It's one of Subaru's love pillars, and at Tom Wood Subaru, we're very, very thankful to be able to deliver these to you. And we thank you for everything you do, because it sure is an important thing for the poor kids that are suffering.
Yeah, so. We look forward to it every year.
Yeah, well, thank you very much.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love.